Hello everyone, welcome to AI 0 to Hero. In today's video, we are going to explore the fundamental concept of data science workflow. So, understanding this process is a key to begin the successful data science. So, what exactly is data science workflow? So, it is a structured and systematic approach to solving a complex data problem, and it's a series of steps that data scientists follow to extract valuable insight from data. So here are some points which generally comes under data science workflow. So whenever we found a problem, or like whenever we are planning to do data science project, so we have to follow all these steps. Okay. So first is the data collection. Okay, the data collection. Okay, this one. So the journey begins with collecting the data from various sources, because without data you cannot solve any problem. So understanding the problem, we have to figure out that what kind of data we have. It's a structured or unstructured. Okay, once we have a collected data like any data set. Okay, then we can perform data pre-processing, because raw data is often messy and need to be cleaned, transformed and organized, and this step ensures data quality and consistency. Okay, and next is the EDA, or like exploratory data analysis. Okay, so EDA is where we dive deep, okay, into the data to understand its pattern, characteristics. Okay, we create many visualization, find try to find patterns and discover outlier in that. So whatever data we have, after pre-processing, we have to figure out that what kind of data it is, and what pattern this data is following. It's a linear pattern, non-linear pattern, or some variable has a correlation or not. All those things we have to figure out that. After that, like after EDA, we have to perform feature engineering. Generally in machine learning, there is no auto feature engineering. Okay, in deep learning we will find some in deep learning they in deep learning it automatically will going to figure out the all your features, but in the machine learning we have to do manually. So feature engineering is a very important topic, and we are like whoever is understanding, and whoever is able to create a new feature from your data, that's you can say that person is a really good data scientist. Okay, so after feature engineering, what will we do? We will have to build a model, and the model we have to figure out that what kind of model will be, like it's a regression, classification, or it's a unstructured or super high learning. So we have to figure out that. Okay, unsupervised learning, sorry, it's not unstructured supervised learning, it's unsupervised learning. Okay, so that we have to figure out that which model we are going to use in the which model building. Okay, once we have done the model building, like in the model building we would find okay, I will come the step we generally follow in the model building, like let me explain a bit here. Like what we will do, we have some data. Okay, we have data, we will going to split in two or three sub data type. Okay, sub data. Okay, you can say this would be the train data, and this would be the test. Okay, and this would be the validation data. So this what will do, our model will going to train on this, and validate we will validate on this. Okay, after that we have to evaluate our model, how good this will be completely unknown data for our model. So we have to evaluate our model with some matrix with some model performance technique. Okay, so once we will do, we will figure out that, oh yes, our model is good, then we will go for model deployment. Model deployment means once the model is ready, it's deployed to make a prediction on a new data or integrate into the larger system. Okay, so once this is done, then after that, like we are data science, you know, people will going to monitor. Don't think like after model deployment, data scientist work is in. Okay, model needs to be monitored and trained to adapt the changing data pattern. So this will also comes under the data science workflow. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and thank you. Stay tuned and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.